I'm Caleb. I'm going to turn 5 years old. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe means to push the button. Say hello to people. Hi, welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, so during this video I've decided to do my nephew's hair. Can you guys like bend your head down a little bit? Okay, so we have two different textures here. He's more of like 3C, 4A, and he's more of 4B, 4C. So this technique can work with any texture of hair. So if you want to see how I turn their fro's into nice little curls, keep watching. Alright, so the first thing that I did is I started off with freshly washed hair. They washed with the Curl and Shine shampoo from Shea Moisture, then moved on to Trader Joe's conditioner. And in this spray bottle, I just have some water and this restorative conditioner, which can be used as a leave-in as well. And then I just used my cream moisturizer. You can use either one, but I am using edenbodyworks for kids. And then I seal with my shea butter mix, which also has some olive oil in it. You also want to make sure that they have some sort of toy or iPad to distract them. Now I'm also using this Miracle double-sided brush for guys to really make the curls pop. And this is the before. So as you can see, it's a little dry. This is how it looks when he just wakes up, and it was washed, but you know, he was playing and doing all this stuff. So you want to really saturate the hair. He's like blowing it away. You really want to saturate the hair with this water and leave-in conditioner mix as much as you can. I didn't put way too much at first, but I am going to saturate a little bit more. Then you take your cream moisturizer and you're just going to really rub that through the entire hair. Just really making sure you get every single part to make the curls pop. See, I am spraying it one more time just so that I can get a little bit more moisture in. And then now I'm going to use my shea butter mix, which is also on my channel if you want to know how to make it. And I'm just going to rub that in as well to really seal in the moisture before I start to make the curls pop. Trust me, without the toy or the iPad, it would have been even more of a struggle, okay? So it was really distracting him in this moment. Now I'm going to use the side that is flatter, and I'm just going to really just rub around clockwise. So whenever you start to rub, you want to make sure you do it in the same direction the entire way. So don't start doing it clockwise and then other parts counterclockwise. Make sure you continue to keep it in clockwise motion. You really want to make sure that you get the curls in there. Clearly don't hurt his head, but you really want to make sure that you get the brush as deep as you can. As you can see, I needed my older sister for a little bit more assistance because this is when he started to get a little aggy, okay? So she really has the technique down pat. Rubbing it in as much as you can, and as you can see, the curls are starting to pop a lot more. And we are done. So it really took me about like 10 to 12 minutes, if that. Now I'm on to number 2. Before. So this is the nephew that has 4C textured hair, a little bit more. So you still are going to use the same technique. I am saturating it with my leave-in conditioner and water. Then I'm going to use my cream moisturizer and just going to really rub that in. And now I am taking my shea butter and rubbing it through. Now, same, just one side and making sure that I do it clockwise. If you start off counterclockwise, then finish it off counterclockwise. But I've just been doing it clockwise, which works best for me. So I'm really just going to do that throughout the entire head. As you can see, he mainly has hair at the top. So that is the part that I'm focusing on when it comes to the brush that's going to really make the curls pop.
Stop playing with him. Oh, yeah. I'm your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me 'cause I'm
and now I'm just going to use a regular Bristol, how do you say Bristol brush? A regular brush, and I'm going to brush the sides down. And we are done. As you can see, curls popping like what? And that is all. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Subscribe and press the button.
Okay, bye.